Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the exact steps to find and catch this sacred guardian squid in fish eggs. So this legendary creature is one of the hardest to find in the jungle or the ancient jungle, and here you need a specific strategy to get it to spawn. And for me, I got this one using this ghost fin rod, and I used the corrupt bait. And for the locations, you just need to head inside the sacred temple, and I got it actually from this location. So I fish in here on the stairs using the auto fishing. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you can get this sacred guardian squid in the ancient jungle. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.